HistOrigin is an app for a smartphone or tablet that gives you, as you're traveling down the highway, gives you an information background on how this city, town, or village that you're approaching got its name.
I think we've all kind of traveled through a crossroads community somewhere, and we've wondered, why is that town called Bryan? Who's Bryan? Where'd he come from? This is the piece that's missing.
We got the idea that combined with technology of the smartphones, we could make an app that tell you the origin stories for the cities, towns, and villages you pass as you travel, wherever you're going. Right now, our app has two modes, the Explore mode and a traveling mode. The primary use of the app is in the traveling mode. Get in your car, turn the app on, set your phone down.
The GPS system tells you your current position, and then as you travel along, the GPS guides you as you get within 3 miles of a city, town, or village. Then the functionality of the app begins, and you hear the voice and learn the origin story.
It works sort of in the background. It uses those great technologies like GPS. So you're going down the road and it's going to tell you something. But it doesn't stop you from using your phone for navigation or other things. It's kind of a perfect add-on.
Currently, we have over 2,000 city, town, and village histories in the database. Those 2,000 are only in Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York. And our goal is to expand this database to include cities, towns, and villages all across the country.
Well, I think what's next is to build the information resource. Build that database, take it from the initial states and the initial communities we've done across the country from coast to coast, so that wherever you are in the United States, you fire up the app on your smartphone and you can learn something about the places you're traveling through and by.
As you might suspect, the creation of this huge database is a tremendous undertaking.
The money we get from KickStarter will be used primarily to hire people to enter the stories for the cities, towns, and villages that we require. Do the research through various methods using people we can contact through historical societies and local governments to give us information about how any city, town, or village came to be.
We need to add another 18,000 cities, towns, and villages in our database, and this is going to require some effort.
I think it's real important that we take this the next step forward, which is why we need the support of our, of everyone, because we need to build the financial resources so we can take the next step, because the database undertaking here is huge, and it won't be done by 2 or 3 people. It's going to be done by a community.